I started River Valley Church in 1995 with no money, no people, and actually financed the entire church on my own credit cards. Nobody would give a 29-year-old money. And so I went to bank after bank after bank, 7 in a row, and they all said, no, we won't do it. A lot of faith, some stupidity, and a lot of God wanting to build his church. We started the church with 13 people. 2 people quit the very first night. Of the 11 that were left, only 2 were not related to me, okay? So to see where we were and where God has taken us, we're now a multi-site church with 8 campuses. And so God has brought us all sorts of people that want to do something. And I believe this, most people want to be a part of a church that's changing the world. It's not about the people that are already here. It's about who needs to join us, who needs to find Jesus as Savior. Here's to those not yet here. We're about reaching the lost. We're about feeling a responsibility as stewards and saying, what has God given to us and how can we take it to the next level and the next level? We've always had a missions heart and said, we're gonna go. It's in us. It's part of our DNA. Matter of fact, I say if you don't like missions, you're not gonna like River Valley Church. We even call our kids ministry Go Kids because we see them, like the Bible talks about, they're arrows in our hands that we're gonna shoot towards their destiny. We are setting you up to do more than we have. Take what we've done and reach more people. We're starting to feed off of each other at the church. Like we're spurring each other on to good works. And I love that about our church, that I can't even get lazy. If I even just take my foot off the accelerator for the moment, they're like, come on, pastor, push it forward. That's the type of church. And it's a joy to pastor a church like that says, what more can we do? We're all looking to have that day where we stand before the Lord and he says, well done, thou good and faithful servant. And he's gonna judge us for whatever we had to use for his glory and honor. Your miracle could come through the hands of somebody else. It could be God providing it through somebody else, but who are you in relationship with? And so we're always looking for strategic partners. AG Financial has been one of those partners. They're a faith-led group that's saying, hey, we want to partner with the local church. We believe in the vision. We believe you're better than your worst day. I get choked up on that. You know, Jesus said you can't serve God and money, but you can serve God by managing money well. And so I feel like they get that good understanding of, we're gonna take the money and it's not gonna have the first place, it's gonna have the proper place, and together we're gonna push the vision forward. They've been a good accountability, they've been a good encourager, and they've been somebody that has said, we're gonna partner with you in this and we're gonna do this together. I think AG Financial and the local church are both working for the well done.